Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Chivalry 2 game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games. Click on this three dot next to Chivalry 2 game and then click on manage. Then toggle on the launch options and here type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then again go to the game manage and this time type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then again go to the game manage and this time remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2, repair easy anti-cheat. So open Epic Games launcher, click on this three dot next to Chivalry 2 game and then click on manage. Now next to installation, click on this folder icon. Now this will open the game installation folder. Now open the easy anti-cheat folder and then right click on this easy anti-cheat EOS setup exe file and then click on run as an administrator. Click yes to allow and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 3, perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. Now if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it. Now launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version of GeForce Game Ready driver, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue button and then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 4, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search for Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Chivalry 2 game folder and then select Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. This time select Chivalry 2 launcher exe file and then click on open. Then again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now open the TBL folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Select Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app and then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Chivalry 2 folder, select Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, select Chivalry 2 launcher exe file, click on open, click on add and then again make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, browse, open TBL folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file, click on open, click on add. And again make sure both private and public is tick mark, then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 5. Run the game from game installation folder, or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Chivalry 2 game, and then click on manage, and then next to installation click on this folder icon. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now double click this Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check. If that also doesn't work, then open the TBL folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now right click on Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab. Check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from here, from the game installation folder itself, and check if a problem is fixed or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If still not working, select Windows 7 from the drop down, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6. Verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to Chivalry 2 game and then click on manage and then click on verify. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Chivalry 2 game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Chivalry 2 folder, open TBL folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Chivalry 2 Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. Now look for it, expand it, and then next to GPU preference select high performance and then you can go ahead, launch the Chivalry 2 game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description, and once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now click on the x64 version first. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. Just restart your device, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9 is to delete Chivalry 2 save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. Now here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this View, Show, and check mark Hidden Items. And then open App Data folder, open Local folder, and here look for the Chivalry 2 game folder. Now first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it. And after keeping the backup, right click on this Chivalry 2 game folder and select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. So disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, River Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for Updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your device restart, go ahead, launch the Chivalry 2 game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now, if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Chivalry 2 game. So simply uninstall Chivalry 2 game from your PC and then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Chivalry 2 game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.